Okay, Ethereum, got some zones here. It's a new month. I'm gonna mark up these areas here. So Ethereum moves about 600 bucks a month. So I'll put these here, and then this will be the monthly high, and then we will do a monthly low one. And then we got to figure out where we want to put these. So it's gonna be about 600 bucks apart. So a lot of zones here. This is a little ugly. So based on this, I actually kind of like this area here for a buy, but I remember going over this before and I just, yeah, there's a lot of weekly wicks there, which is probably why. Oops. Going back, this zone. Okay, so we'll leave that zone because this is the weekly that I had drawn before. So that isn't a major zone. So we got to leave that. But as far as looking for a trade on this, you know, you look for a whole number, something that's close, probably, yeah, 1850. I understand price did already go below that, but we'll still honor it. We'll say about 1850, and then it moves about $600, and I don't think that it's gonna move to like 2400 way up here. I don't think it's gonna break this zone. So that volatility has to go somewhere, and it very well is most likely to go downwards. And if you look at last month when it closed, it, you know, it's a bearish engulfing candle after all these wicks here. So I'm looking to short this. Where I don't know yet. I would have to wait for price to, I mean, it is kind of making lower lows, as you can kind of see the bearish structure sitting in here, but it's not that significant yet. But I would actually go like this. I would say monthly high. I kind of like this. Well, there's a lot of wicks here though, so okay, maybe we'll place this a little bit lower. We'll say 1880 is our monthly high, just for now. And then we're looking for, I don't think this is going to go down to 1280, but I mean that is the monthly range on this. It is roughly, well, it's at least 500 bucks. It's more than 5. It's probably 550 if we're estimating properly. So I mean that is its average. I think last month it only did 200 bucks. The month before that is 326. Okay, yeah, so the average is high because a few months ago, maybe 6 months ago, it had some big months, and now it's holding it down that average. So we're going to be a little bit more conservative. We're going to say the average is about 400. So that puts us at 1480. So something like this. I would actually probably just target this zone, to be honest, whatever that is. Yeah, maybe like 250, honestly, just because it hasn't moved that much. I mean, we can always adjust these, but I would probably just target this zone first. But I do think that it's going to be end up bearish, because you can see price, it did reject this moving average, but you know, and as it was coming down, it rejected this moving average, came back up, but never made new highs, and is now kind of trickling down. So this is kind of iffy because you are counter trend trading, but again, we don't have to take a trade yet. But I'm going to target something like this, and I'm going to wait till, I'm going to be real conservative. I'm going to wait till price breaks this area here. I'm going to set my stop above this zone here, and I definitely want price to hit the bottom of this zone and ideally break it and then retest a little bit. I don't want to get in early and get stuck anywhere. So I need the bearish structure to fully set in. Right now it's not. Price is below this 4 hour, which is good, and you can see a ton of wicks here, which is also nice. can see that price is really respecting that area now as of recently. So that is good, but I need to see a little bit more. I need to see, yeah, like on the 1 hour we got this double bottom, and then we got higher high, higher low, higher high, so we can't have that. We need the opposite. So I'm going to wait until at least price cracks down below here, and then look for an entry there. Then we'll adjust our our entry and our stop loss accordingly, depending on the zone that we want to place the trade in. So that's Ethereum. Moving on to